Hello, students. How are you all today? Well, again, I'm sure you all are doing great. Students, in this session, we are going to do a new topic called punctuation using apostrophe S. So, let us quickly take a look at it. Punctuation using apostrophe S. Read these sentences. The white mitten belonged to Nikki. Students, we use apostrophe S to show that something belongs to someone. Students, in the last session, we learnt a few words which show possession, which means something belonged to somebody. This is another way to show belongings of someone by using apostrophe S. Let us read the sentence once again. The white mitten belonged to Nikki. So we can rewrite this sentence by saying it was Nikki's mitten. The word it talks about the mitten. Students, once again, we add apostrophe S to a naming word to show that something belongs to someone. Here we use apostrophe S after a naming word. Students, let us read some more sentences. See the words in bold. The tiny cat belongs to the girl. We can rewrite this sentence as the girl's cat is tiny. We use apostrophe S after girl to show that the cat belonged to that girl and the cat is tiny, which shows us how the cat is. Students, let us read some more sentences. The blue cap belongs to Karan. Students, this sentence can be written as Karan's cap is blue. Here we use apostrophe S after Karan to show that the cap belongs to Karan and the cap is blue in color. So, students, I hope you have understood the use of apostrophe S. We use apostrophe S to show that something belongs to someone. Let us do an exercise so that you can understand this topic better. Read these sentences, complete them using apostrophe S. Students, we will use apostrophe S to show that something belongs to someone. First sentence. This bottle belongs to Sid. So, what do you think? After which word will we use apostrophe S? That's right, we use apostrophe S after Sid to show the correct answer as it is Sid's bottle. Next, Mr. Kumar owns a big house. Dash house is big. Students, in this sentence, it tells us that Mr. Kumar has a big house. So, we can rewrite this sentence as Mr. Kumar's house is big. We use apostrophe S after Mr. Kumar to show that his house is big. Moving on, these books belong to my teacher. These are my dash books. Students, this sentence tells us that the books belong to my teacher. Therefore, we can rightly rewrite the sentence as these are my teacher's books. We use apostrophe S after teacher to show that the books belong to her. Next sentence. My mother owns a white car. My dash car is white. Students, Let us look at the correct answer. My mother's car is white. We use apostrophe S after mother to show that the white car is my mother's. Moving on, this bat belongs to my brother. It is my dash bat. Students, the correct answer here will be it is my brother's bat. Again, we use apostrophe S after brother to show that the bat belongs to my brother. And the last sentence, this cycle belongs to Rita. This is dash cycle. Again, students, we will put apostrophe S after Rita to show that the cycle belongs to Rita. Therefore, the correct answer is this is Rita's cycle. That was easy, wasn't it? Students, go through this session once again so that you can understand it better. Till then, stay at home and stay safe.